Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to make this banana oats bread recipe. So if you guys would like to see more of how I make this recipe, just keep watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to make this banana oats bread recipe, I'm going to use 2 extra ripe bananas, which is right there. Next I'm going to add my unsalted butter, cane sugar, my oats, vanilla extract, flour and sea salt. And the last ingredient which I will be using is my baking soda. So those are all my ingredients which I'll be using. I'm going to go off camera and break my bananas down, and this is what it looks like, guys. So I'm just going to go right ahead and add my unsalted butter into the bowl. Next I'm going in with my 2 eggs. Next I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Next I'm just going to take my fork and lightly mix to combine all those ingredients. Next I'm going to add my baking soda. Mix again. Next I'm going to add my all-purpose flour. Next I'm going to take my fork and lightly mix again to combine all those ingredients inside the bowl. Next I'm going to add my oats. Then just lightly mix again just to combine the oats into the flour, and this is what it looks like, guys. So I forgot to add my cane sugar, guys, but anyhow I went off camera and I add my cane sugar, and this is what the batter looks like. So you want to make sure you grease your baking pan and then go right in and add the batter. And for this particular recipe, you want to bake this banana oats bread for 60 to 65 minutes. I'm going to do this off camera and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the final results of my banana oats bread recipe, guys. It came out really good. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.